Hey there, how is it going? Today I will talk about accessibility. Accessibility is about creating design that everyone can use, and I will share with you some tools that can make your design more inclusive step by step. Let's get started. Hey there, so here we are in a new Figma file. In this Canva I made these three different components with different width, height, font size, and also color. So what are we gonna do right now? We're gonna go to action and search for Stark, which is contrast and accessibility checker. This is the name of the plugin. I'm gonna run it and this will pop up with this model with all these functionalities. So far I'm using these testing tools, which is contrast, typography, and touch target. If you're gonna also, this one is super cool, which is vision simulator, which basically it simulates as a user with some disabilities, you will see that particular component as a user with those particular disabilities, which is super cool. I will recommend to test it out. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna select that particular component, we're gonna go to contrast, and we're gonna change from this picker color, which by the way is taking the main and prominent color in that particular component. But in this case, I'm gonna compare two colors, right? So I'm gonna switch it to, in this case, the white background color that I have in that button. And as you can see, it doesn't follow the WCAG rules. I'm gonna select the second component, I'm gonna switch it to the white background color, and it doesn't follow as well. I'm gonna try the third one. I'm gonna test it out, switch the background, and it follows the rules. Same things, you wanna test it with typography. In this case, in the third component we have 14, in the second component we have 12, and in the first one we have 8 pixels, and we have here a clear flag, a red flag saying like, hey, this it doesn't follow the rules of accessibility because it's below 12 pixels, right? You can change it from here at 12 pixels, or either you can change it from your right side panel. And then you're gonna go and test it if you want, of course, the touch target, which talking about touch target, we always have to keep it in a very nice and big range for everyone. So we wanna create always like inclusive design. So here, if you want to follow, you want to have a WA qualification. In this case, it follows because it's 24 of width, 24 of height pixels. And as you can see, I have 70 of width by 24, so it follows. And the second one, if I want to have a WA, it has the 24 pixels from width. It also have for the height. But if I want a AAA, it has to be above or 44 pixels as a minimum. And in this case, as you can see, I have 32 of high. So in this case, it doesn't follow the high if I want to have a AAA. And in the third one, you can see it has two qualification, which is like a AA and AAA. Ideally, I would recommend to use a component with these qualifications. I think if you want to have an inclusive design, you should test it out, this amazing plugin that is going to make your day by day super easy. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comment what you think about it, if you are using it or not. And remember, keep it simple and see you soon.